ikaw, Pastor, you know me. I do not accept awards. I have not gone to Malacanang to accept awards. Sa totoo lang. Because as a personal and official policy, I do not think that I should be awarded or rewarded for the things that I am paid by the public to do. Ngayon ng nutrition, sabi ko, kailan magpunta doon? Alam ni Presidente yan. Kaya ayaw ko talaga. Sabi ko, ayaw ko kasi trabaho ko yan. Peace and order, papunta, no? Inyo yan. Kayo, nagpupunta doon, regional commander, na nag-receive ng award. Ayaw ko. Ngito ngayon, on the 27th of this month, I have been told that I will be awarded the most outstanding alumni ng San Beda. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Bakit hindi ako? Wala man ako ginawa na bakit mag-outstanding ako?